Hey friends, so this method that I am going to show you right now is going to make you $5,000 a week, and this is what you have to do. It's very easy and simple. You just have to go to Google, then you have to search as follow. You just have to write there what are the categories that most people search on Google to buy on the internet. As you can see down here is the fashion, furniture, electronics, and beauty and personal care. These are the categories that most people search on Google just to buy online. So right now I'm just going to show you how are you going to make money right after searching these categories. So you have to go to this website, which is online store, which is called Temu. I hope that most of you know about this website. You have to come down here, then click this place which is written as categories. Then you can see all these categories. Now you need to choose which categories that many people are interested in. So you have to click this place. It's written as best sellers. Then you can see that electronics and gadgets are the most selling categories on this website. So I am going to choose electronics and gadgets because a lot of people are interested in these categories, and this is how we're just going to make money using this method that I'm going to show you right in this video. So right after choosing electronics and gadgets, this platform is going to pay you to promote these products, and right now I am going to show you how much people are making just by doing that. Alright, so right now I want you to scroll down here, then you have to click this place which is written as affiliate and influencer. Then you have to click earn commission. I am going to show you how people are receiving money every single time. As you can see right here, $1,000, $3,000, $2,000, and for you to make this kind of money, you have to click this place. Then you may be needed to enter your email and password, which usually takes a very short time for you to join on this platform. And right after joining on this platform is going to send you this email. This email will say that we are inviting you to join Temu affiliate program for the chance to earn extra income every single month. The other very good thing about this platform is that right after joining Temu program, you'll be welcomed by $5. So every time that you join on this platform, they will give you $5 as a welcome gift, but also they will give you $2 as your first time after sharing these links to different platforms that you want to promote this product. So right now I am going to show you how are you going to promote this product for you to start making money, because there are a lot of people who are making up to $100,000 every single month just by becoming Temu influencer. So you have to do this to make sure that you get this money. So let's now see how are you really going to promote this stuff and how are you going to get paid from Temu every single month. This is very easy and very interesting. This is what you have to do to make sure that you promote very well this product so that you can earn a lot of money from Temu. First of all, you may want to go ahead and create your Instagram business account or TikTok business account, and you can post these high quality photos and short videos of Temu product. It can be smartwatches or any other gadgets, but you just have to make sure that you include these friendly captions and these keywords related to Temu products. So if you need good captions, you can just use ChatGPT, and as you can see right here, these are the captions that ChatGPT suggested to me. Affordable phone cases under $10 from Temu. You can use such captions, and also you can go ahead and say these smartwatches from Temu must have for only $10. So then you have to post these videos and these photos on your account. You have to make sure that you include this affiliate link. So if anyone is going to purchase this product, just by clicking your link and make sure that he goes there and purchase anything that you promoted, you get commission. If there are a lot of people who are going to do that from your account, it means that you can earn a lot of money just by affiliate links. So this is how you promote your product, and also this is how you earn through affiliate link. So let's go to our next step, that you can promote your product and make sure that you get a lot of customers to go ahead and click on your links, then you get commission. So this is another way for you to promote your product from Temu. First of all, you may want to go ahead and create a website or a blog spot. So if someone searches on Google about a given product and your website pop up, and if they're just going to purchase anything from this link that you shared on your website, that means that you get commission. So you have to consider that there are a lot of websites out there. So for your website to pop up every time someone searches about a given product, you just have to make sure that you use these keywords that have high search volume. So it will be more easier for your website to show up every time someone searches about a given product. You can go ahead and use keywords like this. best budget smartphone 2024 or 2025, affordable wireless earbuds. And so you just have to use something which is very short. It really has to be clickable so it can attract a lot of customers and a lot of people who may want to go ahead and click on your website and purchase a given product. So this is what you have to do to make sure that it's very easy for your website to be found on Google and all that. This is like the best way for you to make money using Google search, because there are a lot of people who are searching on Google on what items to buy, on what are the best phone to buy, what are the best gadgets to buy in this year. So if your website is going to be recommended, it's like the best way for you to get customers and for you to earn money through affiliate links that you shared from your website and all that. So I really encourage anyone who is really interested to start making money, maybe this year 2024 or maybe the next year. You can consider using this method, because there are a lot of people who really don't know anything about this product, so they search on Google to make sure that they really understand about this product. So if you're just going to use this opportunity for you to attract these customers from Google search and make sure that they are going to click your link to make sure that they get this product that they needed. So I did encourage anyone to go ahead and use this method, because a lot of people are making $100,000 every single month using this method that I shared with you in this video. So thanks so much for watching my videos, and I did hope that you are just going to use this Google searches opportunity for you to start making money. And I wish you all the best, and I'm pretty sure that this is really working out for you. So thanks so much, and see you next.